Did you know? 70 million Americans suffer from digestive disorders. 1 in 3 Europeans experience chronic gut issues. 40% of urban Asians report daily bloating and discomfort. These numbers are exploding, but today, I'll reveal the 19 foods that can fix your gut in just weeks. So, let's dive into the ultimate list of gut healing, microbiome boosting foods that science swears by. These aren't just random suggestions, they're backed by research. To help you digest better, absorb more nutrients, and even reduce inflammation. Almonds, the crunchy gut hero ***. First on our list, almonds. These aren't just a tasty snack. They're a gut superfood. Almonds are packed with fiber, which acts like a broom for your digestive tract, sweeping out waste and keeping things moving smoothly. But here's what makes them truly special: they contain prebiotic properties, meaning they feed the good bacteria in your gut. Think of them as fertilizer for your microbiome. A handful of almonds a day can help reduce bloating and even improve the balance of bacteria in your intestines. And if you're worried about calories, don't be. Studies show that the body doesn't absorb all the fat from almonds, making them a weight-friendly snack too. Try soaking them overnight to make them easier to digest and unlock even more nutrients. Kefir, the probiotic powerhouse ***. Next up, kefir. If you haven't tried this tangy, fermented drink yet, you're missing out. Kefir is like yogurt's stronger, more potent cousin. It's made by fermenting milk with kefir grains, which are packed with up to 30 different strains of probiotics. That's way more than your average yogurt. These probiotics help repopulate your gut with good bacteria, which is especially important if you've taken antibiotics or struggle with digestive issues like IBS. Kefir is also lower in lactose than regular milk, so even if you're lactose sensitive, you might still tolerate it well. Drink it plain, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for overnight oats. Your gut will love it. Tempeh, the fermented protein star ***. For all the plant-based eaters out there, tempeh is a must-add to your diet. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh is not only a great source of protein but also a natural probiotic. The fermentation process breaks down the soy's anti-nutrients, making it easier to digest and absorb all those nutrients. Tempeh is also rich in prebiotic fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Studies show that people who eat fermented soy products like tempeh have healthier gut microbiomes compared to those who don't. Slice it up and pan-fry it for a crispy texture, or crumble it into chili. It's incredibly versatile. Asparagus, the gut's best friend ***. If you want to keep your gut bacteria happy, asparagus is a must. This green veggie is one of the best natural sources of inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These bacteria play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and improving digestion. Asparagus also contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify the digestive system. Whether you roast it, grill it, or add it to stir-fries, asparagus is an easy way to give your gut a boost. Flax seeds, the digestive miracle worker ***. Flax seeds might be tiny, but they're mighty when it comes to gut health. They're loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut, which slows digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. But the real magic happens when flax seeds reach your colon. They get fermented by gut bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish your intestinal lining. This helps reduce inflammation and may even lower the risk of colon cancer. Grind them up for better absorption, and sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Blackberries, the antioxidant-rich gut protector ***. Berries are great, but blackberries are in a league of their own when it comes to gut health. Their deep purple color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your gut lining. Blackberries are also packed with fiber. Just 1 cup provides nearly 8 grams, which is about a third of your daily needs. This fiber feeds your gut bacteria, helping them produce compounds that strengthen your immune system. Add them to your morning smoothie or enjoy them as a sweet, gut-friendly dessert. Oats, the ultimate gut-friendly breakfast ***. Oats are a breakfast staple for a reason. They're one of the best foods for long-lasting energy and gut health. They contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing digestion and stabilizing blood sugar. But that's not all. Oats also act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Studies show that people who eat oats regularly have higher levels of beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus. For an extra gut boost, try fermented oats or overnight oats with kefir or yogurt. Turmeric, the golden gut healer ***. Turmeric isn't just a trendy spice, it's a gut healing powerhouse. Its active compound, curcumin, has been shown to reduce gut inflammation, repair the intestinal lining, and even help with conditions like leaky gut syndrome. Turmeric also supports the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting harmful ones. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and stir it into soups, stews, or golden milk for a soothing gut-friendly drink. Sweet potatoes, the gut-loving comfort food ***. Sweet potatoes are more than just a delicious side dish, they're packed with gut-healing nutrients. Their high fiber content feeds good bacteria, while their vitamin A content helps repair the gut lining. They're also rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Whether you bake them, mash them, or spiralize them into noodles, sweet potatoes are a delicious way to support your gut. Mint, the natural digestive soother ***. Peppermint isn't just for freshening breath. It's a natural remedy for digestive discomfort. It relaxes the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating, gas, and even IBS symptoms. Sip on peppermint tea after meals, or add fresh mint to salads and smoothies for a refreshing gut boost. #11. Sourdough bread, the easier to digest carb ***. If you love bread but struggle with digestion, sourdough might be your answer. The long fermentation process breaks down gluten and phytic acid, making it easier to digest than regular bread. Sourdough also contains lactic acid bacteria, which can improve gut health. Just opt for authentic, long-fermented sourdough for the best benefits. Aged cheese, the probiotic-rich treat ***. Not all cheeses are created equal. Aged cheeses like cheddar, Gouda, and Swiss contain live probiotics that survive digestion and populate your gut. They're also lower in lactose, making them easier to digest for many people. Enjoy them in moderation for a tasty gut boost. Beans, the fiber-packed gut fuel ***. Beans might have a reputation for causing gas, but that's actually a sign they're working. Their high fiber content feeds your gut bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Start with small portions and increase gradually to let your gut adjust. Soaking them before cooking can also help reduce digestive discomfort. Dark chocolate, the gut-friendly indulgence ***. Yes, you read that right, dark chocolate. 70% cocoa or higher is good for your gut. Its polyphenol act as prebiotics, feeding good bacteria while reducing inflammation. Just stick to a small square a day to avoid excess sugar. Broccoli, the detoxifying gut guardian ***. Broccoli is a cruciferous veggie that's packed with sulforaphane, a compound that helps detoxify the gut and reduce inflammation. Steam or lightly sauté it to preserve its nutrients, and enjoy it regularly for a healthier digestive system. Whole grains, the gut's fiber source ***. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and barley are rich in fiber that feeds good bacteria. They also help regulate bowel movements and reduce the risk of digestive disorders. Swap refined grains for whole grains to give your gut a steady supply of fiber. Sauerkraut, the fermented gut booster ***. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage that's teeming with probiotics. Just a forkful a day can help replenish good bacteria and improve digestion. Look for unpasteurized versions in the refrigerated section for maximum benefits. Yogurt, the classic probiotic ***. Yogurt is a well-known probiotic, but not all yogurts are equal. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties with live cultures for the best gut benefits. Greek yogurt is also a great option. It's higher in protein and lower in lactose. Garlic, the prebiotic powerhouse ***. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a potent prebiotic that feeds good bacteria while fighting off harmful ones. Add it to meals daily for maximum gut benefits. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being, and these foods can help you rebuild and maintain a healthy microbiome. Start incorporating them into your diet today, and you'll notice the difference in your digestion, energy levels, and even your mood. Got a favorite gut-friendly food we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our health tips. See you in the next video.